Good soil is not cheap, especially when you're filling large containers or grow bags. These 10-gallon grow bags we use are quite spacious and need a lot of soil to fill. Buying potting soil from the store can become very expensive, very quickly. In this video, we'll show you how to make a soil mix that's much more affordable, but just as effective as anything store-bought. It's great for containers and grow bags and will support strong, healthy plant growth. Before getting started, make sure your grow bags or containers have proper drainage holes. Good drainage is essential in container gardening. Without it, excess water can't escape, which can lead to root rot and fungal issues. Always check the bottom of your grow bags. If there aren't enough holes, add a few more using scissors or a sharp tool. To begin making the soil mix, start with some garden soil. Ideally, this soil should be loamy, not sticky like clay, and not too loose like sand. Loamy soil holds moisture well, while still draining effectively. It has a soft texture and is usually brown in color. If your garden soil doesn't seem very nutritious, that's okay. We'll be enriching it in the next steps. Add about 20% compost, vermicompost, or well-rotted manure, whichever you have on hand. These materials are all excellent sources of nutrients. Compost improves texture, aeration, and water retention. It provides a steady release of nutrients. Vermicompost is even more potent, with worm castings that add beneficial microbes and natural growth stimulants. Well-rotted manure is also good, adding nitrogen and other essential nutrients. This organic material ensures your plants get the food they need for vigorous growth. Next, mix in 1 cup of neem cake powder per container. Neem cake powder is made from neem seeds after oil extraction. It serves as both a fertilizer and a natural pest repellent. It helps keep soil-borne pests and harmful insects away, improves soil fertility, and slowly releases nutrients like nitrogen over time. Just sprinkle it on and mix it thoroughly with the soil. After adding the compost and neem cake powder, mix everything well. The soil should feel soft and crumbly. If it seems too dry, lightly moisten it with water during mixing. Now gather some natural materials from your garden, leaves, weeds, or cover crop plants. These are often discarded, but they're actually valuable, organic matter. Chop them into small pieces using scissors or garden shears. These green materials will serve as a fresh, organic layer that decomposes over time and feeds your plants. When filling the container, start with a layer of the prepared soil mix at the bottom. Then add a thick layer of the chopped green material. This will decompose slowly and act as a composting layer inside the grow bag. It also helps with drainage and encourages beneficial microbial activity, even attracting earthworms if your containers are near soil. Once that layer is added, fill the rest of the container with the remaining soil mix. Tap the sides of the container to help the soil settle and remove air pockets. This layering technique offers several advantages. It reduces the amount of compost needed, since you're not filling the entire container with rich soil. The green layer in the middle turns into compost over time. It provides a continuous supply of nutrients, improves soil structure, and enhances moisture retention and aeration. After filling, your container is ready for planting. Once you've planted your vegetables, herbs, or flowers, water the container deeply. Deep watering helps moisture reach the bottom layers and encourages roots to grow downward, resulting in healthier, stronger plants. At the end of each growing season, don't discard all the soil. Just remove the top 20% and replace it with fresh compost or vermicompost. This refreshes the nutrient content without disturbing the soil ecosystem that's developed below. Over time, this approach transforms your grow bag into a rich, living soil system, much like a raised bed. By following this method, you avoid repeatedly buying expensive potting mixes. Instead, You build a self-sustaining soil environment that promotes strong plants with deep roots and lots of fruits and flowers. It's an efficient way to recycle garden waste, save money, and grow more in your containers.